Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix connection or server issues in battle.net. So how to fix it, let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is that first of all, in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After opening that, type a command is ipconfig space slash flash DNS and press enter. After that, type exit and exit the command prompt, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this that your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that use the following DNS. So for go to your change your DNS address. For open it and type a control panel, open control panel, click on network and internet, go to your network and sharing, click on change adapter settings, select the internet adapter which you use to connect to your internet, right click, go to your properties. After that, click on internet protocol version 4 and click on properties. Click on use the following DNS addresses. Type 8.8.8.8 and the alternative DNS is 8.8.4.4. Click on apply, click on close it. After that, close it. After that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this that your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that go to your start menu and go to your settings of your Windows. Click on a Windows update, and if any update available, then download and install in your PC. Now here is a updates is available. Now downloading will be started, and it's required of a few minutes to complete this process. After completing that, download and install it, and after that restart your computer, and after restarting your computer, I hope your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.